Hi there everyone, welcome to our Vintage Source Holiday Open House Weekend. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, November 16th and 17th, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I have so much stuff to show you. Get ready. Okay, let's start with trees and ornaments. He has a bunch of these trees that are tabletop trees, already decorated. They could be good on your foyer or on a sofa table, all different styles. I love the nautical ornaments. I think they're adorable. These are knitted ornaments. They are so cute. Can you tell what these are? These are like velveteen birds with natural feathers in burgundy and green colors. Cute. Okay, so that was just some of the Christmas decorations and ornaments that we have. Now let's scan around to everybody's section. Love this pew here that Denise has. This basket would be really amazing to put your Christmas tree inside of, to hide your Christmas tree stand. And you all probably get sick of hearing me say this, but you know I can't show you everything in the store. There's just so much stuff. I can't film it all, so you definitely have to come by this weekend. I love this table. It's got an industrial base and it's pretty long. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of jammed in there. Neat modern sofa table, but solid wood. It's got little see-through drawers there, and then over here she has a matching coffee table, and I swore Jenny told me she had some end tables to go with it. We'll have to ask her. This is a really cool bowling alley top made into a table that Troy and Andrew did. At that Christmas tree stand, it is the base, the roots of a tree. That's really ingenious. Farm table for Thanksgiving, just in time. Very old columned mantle, different. Love this lobster trap turned into a coffee table. Richard and Jerry did a wooden top on it. Really rustic, nautical, it's beautiful. This is a full or queen. You can do either. It has attachments for either. bed. I think sometimes people think this is a bench. This is not. This is a headboard and a footboard. This is an old workbench here that is just a couple inches shy of standard island height. So I think it would work well for an island still, or you could put wheels on the bottom. It's got a really cool old finish on it. I waxed the whole thing after I had sanded it, and it would be a really good kitchen island. This China hutch here, I still have the intricate fretwork to put back in the glass door panel, but you get the idea. Really cute. I did it in distressed black. DIY piece that I have, maybe I'll get to it next month to paint it if nobody picks it up this month, but it's a really cool hutch. Lots of metal cast Hallmark toys, all with their boxes, their original paperwork, authentication, all that kind of stuff. Really fun stuff if you got a collector. These are bows that I made for your Christmas wreaths or to put on any of your decorations outside. This is cool from Buddy and Bonita. It's one of those ship hatch. You can see the door handle over there. Ship hatch doors made into a coffee table, and the welder did like neat chain for the legs. I love big old bottles. This one's my favorite. Gotta have some very unique nautical gifts for that hard to buy person, collector in your life for the holidays. I was told that these movie reels come out of the old Rex's Theater that was in Leonardtown, which I think I've mentioned before. That is where I saw the Ten Commandments and E.T. when I was a kid. And now it is Rex's bar and restaurant, which is a great place. I don't know if any of you have ever been there, but you should go. This is cool. Child's rocket ship, I guess, to hang clothes on. It's really neat. It's a good shape. I love this shell Christmas tree that Lisa made. And this cute little black pedestal. Looks forward to seeing all of you this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, November 16th and 17th for our holiday open house. We'll have Generations Vineyard here doing a wine tasting on Saturday and wine sales all weekend, along with we've got some treats inside and a gift certificate raffle all weekend. See you this weekend.